Welcome back, guys, to our video series of creating your first profitable Shopify store as we continue covering the essential apps that you might need to succeed. In the previous videos, I covered ORDER app, and I mentioned that you can synchronize your orders to make sure that all the tracking information is placed into the Shopify database for your use. So how can we let customers see the tracking information of their orders so they don't bother you with emails and phone calls? Where is my order? I just placed an order and I don't have the tracking information. To simplify this process, there's an app called Order Lookup App, which allows you to create Order Lookup page. Once you add it to your Shopify store, it will let you set the settings such as text on the form. In my case, I put something like find your order status and updates using this automated lookup form. You can also contact Claudia at mybestfriend.store if you have any questions. So you can put a lot of other settings like lookup history, language options, custom styles, and then save it. Once you're done, you will have a page something like this, which is called Order Lookup. You see her customer can put an order number and email address and find order. You see you can have all the information about your order easily here. And most important, you have tracking information which you can easily click and it will show you all the tracking information for this order, so you can know exactly where it is and when it is ready delivered, in this case from China to the United States. To make sure that this page is appearing in your menu, you just go to Shopify, to their navigation tab in the Online Store section, and find the menu you want to edit, and click Edit. And then you connect this Order Lookup page here. For example, I call it Order Lookup. This is type of the page, and you can choose Order Lookup, and it will appear. It is really simple. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.